This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve a healthy physique. To begin, focus on understanding your body's unique needs and setting realistic goals for your wellness journey. A healthy physique is built on consistent, positive habits. We'll explore key areas like nutrition, physical activity, and lifestyle choices that contribute to overall well-being. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity when striving for lasting results. Let's dive into practical steps you can take starting today. Nourishing your body with the right foods is fundamental. Prioritize fresh, whole foods such as colorful fruits, vegetables, and lean protein sources like fish or chicken. Opt for complex carbohydrates like brown rice or quinoa, which provide sustained energy. Hydration is also key. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Mindful eating helps you recognize your body's signals, preventing overeating and promoting better digestion. Small, consistent dietary changes yield significant long-term benefits. An active lifestyle is crucial for maintaining a healthy physique. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate cardiovascular exercise each week, like brisk walking or dancing. Complement this with strength training 2 to 3 times weekly to build and maintain muscle mass. Don't forget flexibility and balance exercises, such as yoga, to improve overall mobility. The key is to find activities you genuinely enjoy, making it easier to stick with your routine and stay motivated for the long haul. Holistic wellness extends beyond diet and exercise. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as it's vital for recovery and overall health. Effective stress management, through practices like meditation or engaging in hobbies, significantly impacts your well-being. Cultivating a positive mindset and practicing self-compassion are equally important for a balanced life. Remember, achieving a healthy physique is a journey of consistent, positive choices, leading to lasting health and happiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.